Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a 360 camera that records 4K at 60 FPS for smoother motion. This reduces stitching artifacts. Next, attach the mount to the roof or windshield and secure a safety tether so the camera cannot fall. Once mounted, insert a 64 plus GB UHSI card and connect a power bank if you expect long takes. Make sure the lens is clean and the camera is level. This preserves horizon alignment and simplifies later stitching and stabilization. Once done with basic setup, configure exposure manually or lock auto to prevent sudden shifts as you pass sunlit areas. Drive at a steady speed and smooth steering inputs. Abrupt turns create parallax that breaks 360 stitching. Make 3-5 passes if you want multiple angles and consistent lighting. Use 60 FPS for fluid motion and enable built-in stabilization and gyro logging so software can correct rotation more accurately. Record short calibration clips before each pass to verify framing. You finish by importing footage into the camera vendor app or a dedicated stitcher. Apply horizon correction and check seams at road edges. Once stitched, run gyro-based stabilization and perform mild color grading to match passes. This keeps the viewer comfortable. Export as a 2:1 equirectangular file at 4K/60 with 360 metadata so players recognize it. If seams wobble, recheck lens alignment and try a different stitch template. Often switching stitch radius or updating camera firmware fixes per.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.